Ken Kaneki. This is the day it's going to happen. So Ken Kaneki from Tokyo Ghoul. The polls show that you want to see that first. I'm going to do it. And I'm letting you all know that I bought a wig just for this. So please share this video, get it out there. You know, I made an investment in this. This is going to be very interesting. This is a synthetic wig, so it's not really human hair. It tangles very easily. It's going to be, I don't know. Let's hope and see that this comes out exactly how I want it to come out. Now, his hair is very piecey and very textured, and obviously with animation, everything is accentuated from the artist, so you're going to see every single piece. I'm going to do my best to try to duplicate that in this haircut. I'm going to be using a lot of a razor to make it very wispy and edgy, and we're going to be cutting quite a bit off. So under this mannequin, the mannequin looks like me, completely bald. I pinned it down onto the head. So enjoy the music while I cut this, follow along, and let's see what it looks like at the end.
Appreciate your sound. 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 Appreciate your sound, need a renovation.
Okay, this was like delivering a baby with this thing. I mean, the synthetic wig is not easy to cut, and I spent so much time trying to make this look as textured and wispy as possible, like the character's hair. So there's no real, I mean, as far as explaining what I did on this, it's really difficult because I used a lot of different tools, like my clippers. Clippers really seem to get through this type of hair relatively easier, but because of how this thing is kind of stitched together and how it's laying on the head, it makes it very difficult to actually cut this. But, you know, there's a lot of separation and pieciness, as you can see in through here. I used every possible technique I could in order to achieve this look. So some of you may, I appreciate the love and support for this, but at the same time, I also understand that there may be a few of you that are saying, oh, what the hell is that, man? It's nothing to do, you know. But look, guys, I tried my best to do this sort of look, and it wasn't easy. It was not easy, but let me know in the comments below what you thought. That's it, everyone. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time for more videos with the Salon Guy.